Click on the link below to get price. The Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus is a game changer for those who seek reliable, off-grid power. With a robust 5040Wh LiFePO4 battery and 685W solar panels, this system promises both sustainability and efficiency. Upon unboxing, the quality of the components is immediately evident. The design is sleek and user-friendly, making it accessible for both novices and seasoned campers. One of the standout features is the impressive capacity of the battery. With 5040Wh, the generator can power a wide range of devices, from small electronics to larger appliances. During testing, I was able to run a refrigerator, charge multiple devices, and still have power left over. The LiFePO4 battery technology ensures not only longevity and safety but also a stable output, which is crucial when powering sensitive devices. The solar panels are equally impressive. Setting them up is straightforward, and they efficiently capture sunlight, converting it to usable energy even on partially cloudy days. The 6-panel configuration significantly enhances the charging speed, allowing for quicker replenishment of the battery. In optimal sunlight conditions, I found that the system could recharge fully within a day, which is remarkable for such a large capacity unit. The versatility of the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus cannot be overstated. It features multiple output options, including AC, USB, and DC ports, enabling simultaneous charging of various devices. The built-in LCD screen provides real-time updates on battery status, input-output levels, and remaining usage time, which adds to the overall user experience. While the price point may be higher than traditional generators, the investment is justified by the sustainable energy source and the freedom it offers. Whether for camping, emergency backup, or simply reducing your carbon footprint, this generator is a powerful ally. Overall, the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus exceeds expectations, making it a leading choice for anyone in need of portable, renewable energy.